All right. After allowing Green Profit EA to quietly operate on my trading account for a respectable period of time, I suppose it is now my duty to present the official findings of this highly sophisticated experiment. Yes, I've personally tested Green Profit EA in live trading conditions, watched how Green Profit EA reacts to volatility, pullbacks, and trend continuations, and now I'm sharing my structured and slightly tongue-in-cheek but technically honest review of Green Profit EA. Let's begin from the start. After downloading the zip file of Green Profit EA, simply right-click on it and choose the extract option. I selected extract here, and inside you'll find the Green Profit EA EX4 file along with installation instructions and a README file. Alright, you copy the Green Profit EA file into your MT4 experts folder, refresh the terminal, and OK. Green Profit EA appears in the navigator panel ready to attach to your chart. Smooth process, no complications, very straightforward. Now, this is where things become interesting. On the verified Myfxbook account, Green Profit EA shows a total gain of plus 7,133.83% and an absolute gain of plus 6,557.27%, which immediately grabs attention. Daily growth sits around 0.36%, monthly growth approximately 18.24%, and drawdown is about 7.84%, which is relatively controlled considering the overall return scale. The growth chart shows consistent monthly performance spikes rather than random equity jumps, and when we move to the advanced statistics, we can see multi-pair activity, including AUDCAD, AUDNZD, EURUSD, GBPJPY, GBPUSD, NZDCAD, USDCAD, and USDJPY. The trade distribution reveals solid win ratios across several pairs, for example, AUDCAD showing 89% wins, AUDNZD 87%, EURUSD around 68%, and USDJPY approximately 75%. This tells me Green Profit EA is not dependent on a single currency pair, but diversifies risk. The monthly analytics highlight strong performance in multiple months, with peaks above 20% in certain periods, and overall the equity curve demonstrates structured growth rather than erratic spikes. From a technical perspective, Green Profit EA appears to use layered entry logic combined with calculated lot management and spread awareness, which explains the relatively low drawdown compared to the total percentage gain. Based on my own live monitoring, entries were aligned with momentum shifts and pullback confirmations, rather than random grid-style exposure, which is a positive sign for sustainability. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part. An MT4 strategy tester with an initial deposit of $10,000 Green Profit EA produced a total net profit of approximately $1,367.32. Gross profit reached $5,650.64, while gross loss stood around minus $4,283.32. Profit factor was about 1.32. Absolute drawdown was near $639.91, and maximal drawdown around $701.31, with relative drawdown approximately 6.97%. There were 216 total trades, with short positions winning about 61.39% and long positions winning about 64.05%. The largest profit trade reached $298.34, while the largest loss was around minus $139.92. So technically speaking, Green Profit EA maintains balanced win ratios and controlled risk metrics in tester conditions. Now, okay, if you're wondering how to access Green Profit EA, this specific bot is available on our website. To know more about Green Profit EA, check the description below where you'll find full details, documentation, and setup guidance. And for ongoing updates, performance discussions, and deeper technical insights about Green Profit EA, simply join our Telegram group through the link provided in the description. After personally running Green Profit EA, reviewing its Myfxbook data, and confirming MT4 backtesting statistics, I can say Green Profit EA presents structured performance, diversified trade logic, and technically convincing risk management for traders who prefer data over hype.